Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. For that, you will have to first launch your Bybit mobile application and then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then among the given options, you will have to select the withdraw option. After that, in the search bar, you will have to search for USDT and you simply need to select USDT option. Then you will be landed on this on-chain withdrawal option page where you just have to fill out these details. First, you will have to provide the deposit address or the QR code. So in order to get it, you will have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to tap on the deposit button in the top and then tap on deposit crypto again. Then in the search bar, you simply need to search for USDT and after that it will ask you to select the network. So you will have to select any of the networks as you want. Let's say you have selected the BEP20 network. So after selecting it, it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address which you need to copy from here. Then come back to Bybit and you simply need to paste the address in this address bar. After that, in the network, you will have to select the same network that you have selected in Binance. So as we have selected in Binance the BEP20 network, so you will have to select BEP20 network in Bybit as well. Then in the amount section, you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer from Bybit to Binance. Then you will have to tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal. This way you will be able to easily transfer your USDT from Bybit to Binance. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.